Imagine a world where the skies are clear, the oceans are thriving, and humanity has undone the damage of climate change by 2045. Sounds impossible? Think again. What if AI, breakthrough tech, and global willpower could reverse the clock on our planet's crisis? In the next minutes, we'll dive into the science, the stakes, and a jaw-dropping vision of a future where we don't just survive climate change, we conquer it. Buckle up, because this is Future Unveiled. Right now, in 2025, Earth is at a tipping point. Global temperatures have risen 1.1 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, and the clock is ticking. The IPCC warns we could hit 1.5 degrees Celsius by 2032 if emissions aren't slashed drastically. That's not just a number. It means stronger hurricanes, disappearing coastlines, and ecosystems collapsing. Last year alone, extreme weather cost the world $250 billion in damages. But here's the kicker, we're not helpless. Advanced AI models like those crunching petabytes of climate data show us exactly where we stand. Carbon dioxide levels are at 420 ppm, higher than at any point in human history. Methane, a gas 25 times more potent than CO2, is surging from thawing permafrost. Some say it's too late to reverse this, but recent breakthroughs like AI-driven carbon capture and fusion energy suggest we're closer to a solution than ever. Let's break it down. So, how do we reverse climate change by 2045? It starts with technology that's already here, and some that's just over the horizon. First up, carbon capture. Companies like Climeworks are scaling up DAC systems that suck CO2 from the air at 4,000 tons per plant annually. That's like taking 1,000 cars off the road. Per plant, AI optimizes these systems, predicting wind patterns and energy needs to make them 30% more efficient. Then there's fusion energy. In 2024, a breakthrough at the National Ignition Facility achieved net energy gain, meaning we're closer to unlimited clean power. By 2045, AI simulations predict fusion could power 50% of the grid, slashing emissions to near zero. Add in bioengineering, think algae that eats CO2 400 times faster than trees, and reforestation drones planting 1 billion trees a year. Skeptics argue these techs can't scale fast enough. But AI's ability to model complex systems, like global carbon cycles, shows we could remove 10 gigatons of CO2 annually by 2040, enough to stabilize temperatures. The catch? It'll cost $10 trillion over 20 years. That's a lot, but it's less than the $16 trillion in damages we'd face without action. Fast forward to 2045. Imagine a world where global temperatures have stabilized at 1.2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Coastal cities like Miami and Mumbai are saved by AI-designed seawalls. Farmers use AI to grow crops in once uninhabitable deserts, thanks to precision irrigation. Global carbon markets, powered by blockchain, reward companies for removing CO2, $100 per ton, incentivizing innovation. But it's not just tech. Society has shifted. People eat 50% less meat, cutting methane emissions by a third. Cities are walkable, with electric transit slashing urban pollution. AI models predict that by 2045, 80% of humanity could live in net zero cities. The economic payoff? A $7 trillion boost to global GDP from green jobs and innovation. If we fail, though, the picture's grim. Overshooting 1.5 degrees Celsius could trigger tipping points, like collapsing ice sheets or dying rainforests, locking in centuries of chaos. The choice is ours, and the data says we can win this fight if we act now. Let's paint a picture. It's July 17th, 2045, and the world wakes up to a historic announcement. Atmospheric CO2 has dropped to 350 ppm, a level not seen since the 1980s. AI systems, crunching data from millions of sensors, confirm global temperatures are falling. The Amazon, once on the brink, is thriving, 1.5 billion trees planted by drones. Coral reefs are regrowing thanks to bioengineered algae. At a UN summit, a holographic AI presents the Climate Victory Report. Fusion plants power 60% of the world. Carbon capture has removed 200 gigatons of CO2 since 2025. Global cooperation, driven by AI-optimized policies, has slashed emissions 70%. People celebrate in streets lined with solar trees, knowing their kids will inherit a planet that's healing. Is this too good to be true? Not if we scale today's tech and commit to global action. AI's predictive power shows this future is within reach, if we don't give up. The future isn't written, it's built. By 2045, we could reverse climate change not just with tech, but with choices. Every step you take, going solar, eating less meat, or spreading the word, brings us closer to that victory. Future Unveiled is here to show you what's possible, powered by cutting-edge AI insights no other channel can match. If this vision inspired you, hit that subscribe button, share this video, and comment your thoughts on a climate-reverse future. Together, we can make 2045 a turning point for humanity. Until next time, keep unveiling the future.